channel, everybody. The wife, Milo, and I are out here fishing, and as you can see behind me, there are some storms rolling in, so we may or may not get wet. We're just gonna cruise around for a little bit, throw some wacky rigs, hopefully find some fish. We had some nasty storms last night, so there are a lot of branches and some new logs and stuff in the water, so we're just gonna be careful, have some fun, catch some fish. Let's go. That was the fastest I've ever caught a fish. Was that first cast?
And we were afraid you weren't going to get anything. What did you have on there?
A worm. Okay. This lake, for some reason, this pontoon always has a fish under it. One of these two usually does. Little leech in there. 12-incher, 13-incher. Oh, it's just a little turtle.
That was really intense.
It's just a little turtle. You could have taken him. The fact that there's a giant log on top of this jet ski makes me think the storms were pretty bad last night.
Yeah.
That is a pretty good sized log. Look at that limb. Is that like stuck in the ground?
Kind of looks like it.
Hear that?
What is that?
There's either a turtle in there or another bass scratching or something. Milo, we're on a dink fest. Where's the biggins? Is he a fishy? He's more interested in the worm.
I knew you were going to get interested once you threw it in the water.
There's a better one. Stay down. Ooh, feels good. This might be a netter, babe. Not a netter. It just was pulling really hard. Thought we had a netter for a second. Do you think it's normal for jet skis to be on land like that?
You think that's due to the storm?
Yeah.
Really?
They probably got a lot of water and it went up probably a foot or two. It's down now though.
We did have a flood warning.
Why am I losing every fish? This lake is dam controlled on the west side, but it still could have gone up for a little bit. Better one.
I think that was a netter.
How's come I've lost 3 in a row? Is this hook bent? It's 3 in a row. We're gonna change hooks because I'm losing more fish than I'm catching now. That's a bite. And the new hook produces. Haha. I'd say he hit that bait pretty good. What do you think? Not much of it left. There we go. Little large lip. Another one down. Boop. Boop. Oh, that's a big one. Get the net, babe. Come on, stay on. There we go. That's actually a really good one. You can keep him in the water a little bit. That way you still got a drink. While I get the pliers out. There we go. Big one of the night, probably like 17 inches. Pretty good fish here. 2.5 pounds or so. There we go. Biggest one of the day. 17 inches or so. Beautiful fish here. Cool. All right, we're gonna release it now. He's gonna release himself. Quick release, but very fun. on the wacky rig yet again. Hey, what do you think? Having fun? Nice. Stay on, buddy. That dude just spit up a worm.
A real worm?
No, artificial worm. That's crazy. Cool. 13-incher maybe? 12-incher? Another short.
Is that tree always been in an
Where?
Right.
That's a branch.
That's a branch?
I think so. I don't think that's a tree.
I guess it probably could be a branch.
I think it's the top out of one of these trees.
That's crazy.
I mean, you can tell by how the leaves look dead and... As you can see, it is getting nasty. So we're gonna head off the lake now. Boat's fired up. We're gonna zip across and hopefully not get too wet. It's already started to sprinkle a couple times, but that looks like it's gonna hit us a little bit. So off we go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Lots of bass today, and yeah, good time. Peace.